Hello everybody, this is page 8 in the Let's Go 1 workbook, and this is the phonics page for the Let's Read section. And for this page, we were working with these two sounds. They're very similar. They are the B, 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 and the P sound, P, P, P.
B, B, bird, ball, boy. P, P, peach, pencil, pink.
And what we want to do is just match. All right, let's start. So the first one, this is a picture of a boy. So I draw a line down to boy, and boy starts with B, B, B. So I draw a line up to a B spot. Number 2, this is a pencil. Let's find pencil. Bird, peach, ball, pencil. Draw a line to pencil. Pencil starts with P, P, P. So draw a line to P. Number 3 is a peach. Let's find peach. Bird, peach. Draw a line to peach. And peach starts with P. So let's draw another line down to a P spot. This is a bird. Bird. Draw a line to bird. And bird starts with a B, so we'll draw a line to the second B spot. Number 5 is paint. So let's find paint. Ball, pink. Oh, it's pink, I'm sorry. Pink, not paint. But they both start with P. So let's draw a line over to P. Number 6 is ball. So last one, so draw a line to ball. And ball starts with B, B, B. All right. Part A is done. Now we need to write these words. Okay, this is part B, and it says write. So we're gonna write all of the B words from part A here, and then we'll write all the P words here. First, we can trace. Let's trace ball. B-A-L-L. Okay, besides ball, we also had bird. So let's write bird first. B-I-R-D, and we had one more. Bird's done, ball's done, boy. That's right, boy. B-O-Y. There we go. Ball, bird, boy. The second part had P words. So first we'll write peach, P-E-A-C-H. And the second P word was pencil. And the last one was pink. So here's pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. And here is pink. P-I-N-K. Peach, pencil, pink. And we're all done. Great job.